Many times when you are implementing Cloud Code, you want that Cloud Code to be called only by authenticated users. And today in our implementation series, we're going to see how to create Cloud Code that can be executed only by authenticated users. And by the way, if you like this implementation series, please leave a like in this video and consider subscribing to the channel so you'll never miss out on videos like this. So here I have my demo app, and I created a user in here which is named Alex, and the password is abc123. And here on my Visual Studio I have some Cloud Code, Node.js code that instantiates this app and is going to try to log in using that user. If the login is successful, it's going to say user logged in, if not, user not logged in. So if I just run this node index.js, you see my user is now logged in. So I want to create a Cloud Code function in here that can only be executed by authenticated users. So if I open the Cloud Code section, go to Functions and Web Hosting and open the main.js file, in here I can start creating my Cloud Code. So we'll create a Cloud Code function named parse.cloud.define, and then the function name is going to be run my code. This will get a async request that we're going to arrow function to our code. And inside this function, I want to determine if the user is logged in or not. And Cloud Code does that very easily by having the user in the request to be able to be read automatically. So we're going to read that user by typing const user equals request.user. Now, if I have this object set, it means the Cloud Code was run authenticated by an user, and I will have the user object in here. So if I get an empty object in here, it means the Cloud Code was tried to be run without authentication. So if not user, which means if I don't have the user object set, which means the Cloud Code was tried to run by an unauthenticated user, I'm going to throw an new error. This Cloud Code must be run by an authenticated user. Now, if I do have the user set, it means it was called by an authenticated user. So in this case, I want to return just a string, and this was done by user. And let's actually change this double quotes to backticks so I can use this new syntax for Node.js, which is $, and then put the brackets like this, and then I can just append the string like user.get username. Now, if we just deploy this, and go to Visual Studio and try to run this code. So now I have an user authenticated, and I'm going to try to run my code. So save this, node index.js. This was done by user Alex, so it was authenticated. Now, what if I comment out the login part and just I can enter the if statement without any checking? Let's put true in here so it won't check anything, just get in here, comment this out and try to run it again. Now, this Cloud Code must be run by an authenticated user. So this is the easiest way for you to check if the user is authenticated or not, and then proceeding or not to execution of your Cloud Code function. This is very safe, it's very fast, and it's 100% inside the on Parse SDK, so you don't have to do a complex logic to check that out. This might translate into a very simple way for you to secure your app. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. I'll also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.